In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude to review a website. We'll start by grabbing the web page you want feedback on. Open the site in your browser, then head to the address bar at the top. Highlight the full URL and copy it. You can review a home page or any specific page you care about, like a product page or a blog post. For best results, choose a page that's publicly accessible without a sign-in, since that makes it easier for Claude to understand the content you're referring to. Next, go to Claude. Open your browser and navigate to Claude AI, then open a chat. In the message box, paste the link you just copied. Dropping the URL right into the chat gives Claude a clear anchor for your request. If the page is long or media-heavy, that's fine. Linking to the exact page keeps everything focused and saves you time. Now, make your prompt. You can keep it simple with a clear instruction like, review this website. Simple, direct prompts work well and help Claude get straight to the point. If you want a more tailored review, feel free to add a bit of context about what you care about most on that page. For example, you might mention that you're interested in navigation clarity, visual design consistency, content quality, calls to action, or overall usability. You can also specify the intended audience or goal of the page, such as driving signups or showcasing a product, so the feedback aligns with your objectives. Keep your wording concise and plain. Clear instructions lead to clearer results. When you're happy with the wording, click Submit. You can also press Enter to send, depending on your setup. Give Claude a moment to process. You should then see a structured review of the linked page. Expect a balanced mix of strengths and opportunities for improvement, along with actionable suggestions you can apply right away. If the review mentions layout, readability, or content hierarchy, compare those notes to the actual page while you read so you can spot the exact areas being discussed. A couple of quick tips as you review the output. If the page has dynamic elements or requires user interaction, focus on the parts that are visible without logging in. If you need the critique to align with a particular brand voice or accessibility standard, include a brief note about that in your original prompt before you submit. And that's it. Copy the link, go to Claude and paste it, write a clear prompt like, review this website, and click Submit. With those simple steps, you'll get a thoughtful, practical website review you can use immediately.